Employees can get their own logins to Engage to request annual leave online. The username is your email address, often your work email. Once logged in, you should see the holiday calendar. If you're a manager, you might need to navigate to the holiday section to view the calendar. Any holiday requests you submitted in the past will be shown. If your company allows team views, you can also see holidays booked by other people in your team. You'll see the status of your holiday requests by the colour coding in the calendar. Green have been approved, red are pending, and grey have been denied. To submit a new request, click on the start date of your holiday in the calendar. In the box that appears, you can enter the end date and choose if you're requesting paid or unpaid leave. When you submit the request, Engage will ping an email to your manager to let them know. Your manager will need to approve your holiday before it is confirmed. If you want to check the details or request a half day, simply click on the Edit Request link. On the more detailed holiday request page, you can see also what days are counted as working days based on the working calendar your employer has provided. If you want to send notes to your manager when submitting the holiday request, you can do that here too. If you want to see how many days you've taken and how many you have left, check your personal holiday record. As soon as your manager approves your request, you will receive a confirmation email. If your manager decides to deny your request for some reason, you will also receive an email notification to say so. The email will include a reason why the holiday was declined. Your manager may also suggest a change in your holiday plans, such as different dates. The email we send to you will outline the changes, and you can choose to accept them, cancel the request, or resubmit your request with changes of your own.